By the way guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Soyboys, and follow us on Facebook at Soyboys. Okay guys, we're gonna give away 500 pesos. No, I mean
500 pesos.
we're gonna give away 5 of our lucky subscribers will have a chance to win 100 pesos each load at the end of this video. Soyboy! Yo guys, what is up? It's us, your boy Soyboys. It's me, Ram Vigano.
It's me, Chad.
And guys, today we're gonna build our very own PC for our YouTube channel, Soyboys. Diba, Chad?
Yes, ay, para maka-edit ulit tarong.
Okay, you know guys, if you can see guys, we only edit our videos sa iPhone. And that's why we build this PC. Gift na sad namo for Christmas. And you know guys, this small room, we're gonna make this our own studio. Kay YouTube is life and we love you guys. So guys, we're gonna introduce to you our rig. This will be gonna build by my very own little brother Chad.
Ako mo build ani.
Bagag now. So bro, introduce us bro.
B450 Pro wifi. So, mo ni siya forma oh. Kani mong gipalit kay mo ni pinaka barato sa tanan B450.
Ryzen. We choose AMD guys because AMD is the best. Intel.
Ni bastos.
AMD is the best guys. 2600 akong gipalit guys kay we're only gonna make videos and maybe some games for our YouTube. And we're gonna upgrade soon guys. Maybe AMD 9.
AMD 9?
I don't know the name. Singan.
Ryzen 9.
What the hell? Ryzen 9.
AMD 9. This RAM guys, RGB white. Duha ni ka 8 gig. Nya 16 gig na tanan DDR4 nya 3200 MHz. This cost us 5,500 and I hope it's worth it.
It will be worth it, bro. So guys, I will be looking at this man good every single day when we edit. This is the most important for us. Okay. Guys, we have the Specter Pro 24-inch 144 Hz guys. We got this again sa ECPC for how much is this bro? 7,800 plus shipping fee. It's 8,000 guys. Lahat. Tanan. So
Lahat tanan. All.
Of course. Guys, this is the best guys. This is the best. And this is the cheapest one you can get. I like brand like Envision pero I don't like the aesthetics. This one has the best aesthetics.
Guys, mo ni ang casing. Casing na mo para sa akong PC. Ay nakanindot ani nga case kay nay free upat ka fan. Nya naka-nice na ay magnetic filter. So worth it yun.
Ang lacking na lang ari day guys ang SSD.
Graphics card.
Ang graphics card, I'm gonna borrow Chad's graphics card as of now kay this cost us Philippine peso, a lot of Philippine peso guys. Kani build guys is worth mga 40k, 1,000 apilang screen. Ang pinamahalan din ang screen o kani medyo sakit-sakit din sila. Pero ang GPU, especially ang GPU, mo nang mahom sa GPU ni little brother Chad kay I'm broke. So guys, we're gonna set up this PC now. I hope you like the video. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube guys.
Sa kuha sa lokin mo.
Sige bro.
Ang kani gunita ba kay Hindi mo na plastic, plastic mo. Oh, wow.
Ah, look at that!
Wow! Oh my God! Wow!
Ah, look at that shit, guys. Oh, nice kayo. So guys, mo niyang ko ano. Nasa yung do antenna for wifi na po Bluetooth na upat ka. Nasa upat ka USB 3.0 o nasa isa ka 3.1 o isa ka type C.
Very nice, oh. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Nice, eh.
So guys, ang technique na guys, para magbutang sa CPU is paitaan mo ng ano siya oh, kaninang triangle bitaw.
Zoom.
Kanang triangle mo ay ilhanan kana guys.
Triangle.
Bro. Paitaan po nimo ang triangle sa imong Ryzen, which is kana.
Correct.
So ibutang na nimo ba nga na
Lock in place, bro. Kahit gini. Ganito sa.
Nice. Among
Gas.
CPU fan is thermal paste ready, so dito na nagbutang guys.
Na thermal paste daan. Bro,
Yeah.
i-open ang RAM. Wow, nice, eh.
Puti among RAM guys.
Bro, ako apot, eh.
Puti mo. Putig mata.
Pag gunita ko sa RAM, no? Let me touch it. Wow, very nice. Wow.
Of course, bro. We only choose the best RAM for Soyboys.
Oo, eh. Wow.
So
Nice,
guys,
guys.
ang bubutang sa RAM is I don't know how to put the RAM.
Okay.
Ana bali.
First, bro, wait. Wait, sa.
Bahal yang so bro.
Kana, oh. DDR41. So that means alis kinalasan yung butang una. Sure ka sakto na, di na bali? Sakto din. Sakto din. Dot A, bro. Dot A. Dot A ito. Yan mo snap mo na. Nice.
It feels so good.
Nice.
You want to try, bro?
Then sa ikatulo,
Pero nga.
kare.
Yan na.
Open na na.
Bahal yang so bro. Nangi ka, bro?
Wala, eh.
Bawa ka ng so eh.
Ako, bre, ang CR mong good.
Yo, dyan, nakaihi.
Sakto.
Nasud ba?
Nasud, nasud.
Sige, go. Ayaw mo lang keep pa na motherboard.
Halo ka, mabalik ko, eh.
Lalo ka.
Halo ka, eh. Hindi mo hiwi mong good. Tara, tas ka. Dota. Na, nilak in place na.
Yes.
Na, lock in place na.
Oh my god, the RAM looks so good! Puti!
Nice ang motherboard, oh. So, time na ibutang sa case.
Soyboys PC. Finally, it took us 1.5 hours
2 hours, eh. Bro,
to make.
tanga bro. Kaya mo haman.
Bro, niya na bro. Subayan sa na to bro.
Sige, sige.
Niya na, hindi mo under na tanan bro.
Hindi, kaya tang bro, pero satisfying. Oh, gusto na ko matang-tang. Wait lang. Wow, so satisfying.
Specter Pro. First boot sa among PC. Saksak bro. Bro.
Yes. Unyan tang celebrate bro, kayo patakibog mo on.
Sige, ikulbaan lang ko. No signal. Yon.
Sa
Sige, go.
Aba.
This is it.
Wait,
Nisiga, look. Wow. Fuck, wala pa ta mag-on.
Yun. Hala.
Tagala.
Oh no.
Ha?
Oh no. Problema lagi na. Oh no.
Tagala, bro.
Oh no.
Attempt number 2 kay gibali ni Chad.
Lah, ako daw kabalik ko gatao na na.
Why'd you balik, bro? On, bro.
Yun.
Oh my gosh! Like, bro.
Yun daw. Moment of truth. Alaw agapon.
Why is this, bro? What's happening, bro?
Guys, last attempt na ni. I hope it works. Wait lang. Screen. Gao na ba ni? Yes, gao na. Let's hope it works. 1, 2, 3. Hala. Come on, wait lang ah. Iyon sana guys. Asal to? Dara. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Nisiga ba? Yes! 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 Build complete!